Today, we will create something new AI videos in the style of old classic movies, like mummy films, and also in a new traditional style, like a princess discovering hidden treasure and a mysterious mummy appearing. We will make a complete movie series in a realistic style, just like these channels you can see, The Wordy Tale, Tales by Naxu, and Tales with English. Many channels create AI videos like this and are fully monetized. I will prove to you 100% that if you work consistently, your channel can also get monetized. I will copy the link or name of one of these channels and check it on YouTube Social Blade. After opening Social Blade and pasting the link, you can clearly see that the channel is monetized, and its income is between $448, $7,200 in the first open ChatGPT. After opening chat, you just need to paste this prompt. I will give you this prompt in my YouTube description, so you can easily make videos like this. When you paste the prompt, ChatGPT will create a story for you, a very good and amazing one. But if you want a long story, it depends on you how long you want it. I want a long story, so I will write it. Please give me long story for 100 words, so Chat will create a long story for you. It depends on you whether you want a big story or a short story. I want a big story, so I write it, and the long story will come next. I need an image prompt so that it can create a very good image. So I write it. Please give me 10 image prompt in the tiled, so Chat will give me very good and amazing image prompts that will be perfect, just like the images we need. And now the prompts are ready. Next, we will create AI images, and for that we will use two websites. The first website is called Leonardo.a. Leonardo.ai is a very good website for making AI images. You have to open it and set the size to 16:9 and type Phoenix 1.0. Then I paste the prompt, and after a short time the image will start generating. In this way, you have to paste each prompt one by one. After you paste all your prompts, you can see the generated images. They look amazing. This is how you can create AI images on this website. I will copy the prompts from Chat and paste them here one by one, and you can see the results. Whichever image you like on Leonardo.ai, you can download it. Leonardo.ai is an advanced AI image generation platform that allows users to create stunning, high-quality visuals from simple text prompts. It's designed for artists, designers, and creators who want to produce concept art, game assets, posters, and realistic or fantasy-style images quickly. Now the AI image has been created and it looks very good. If your credits on Leonardo.ai are finished, then you should use Piclumen next. It is a very good website for making AI images. You just have to open Piclumen. It creates images very nicely. After opening it, paste the prompt. When you paste the prompt, you will see the size option. Set the size to 16:9 because it is best for YouTube videos. I paste the prompt here and the image is generated in a few seconds, as you can see. Then I paste another prompt and another AI image is created. Piclumen is an emerging concept centered on ultralight, high-efficiency illumination designed for compact devices and creative applications. It emphasizes minimal power consumption, versatile color rendering, and seamless integration into digital environments. Piclumen systems often feature modular light units, enabling customizable configurations for photography, ambient design, and interactive displays. Their small scale makes them ideal for portable tools, artistic installations, and experimental tech projects seeking precise, adaptive lighting solutions. In this way, you just paste the prompt and the images will keep generating. On both websites, the AI images have been created, and they turned out very good and amazing. Now the AI images are done. Next, we will create the AI voice. There is a free tool called Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech. It is the best tool for generating AI voice, and you can use it for free. On Unlimited AI Tools, you can also create free AI images, but I am teaching you how to generate voice for free. If you cannot find the tool, then comment and I will give you the link in the comments. You can create AI voice for free. This tool gives daily free credits. Believe me, Now I have opened the AI text-to-speech generator. I copy the chat prompt and paste it here, and I select any voice. There are many voices here, and Blaze Alex is the best voice, but to explain it to you, I select any voice. I click on generate, and remember, it can generate 1,000 words at one time. If your script is long, you can divide it into 4 parts and create the complete voice. Now the voice has been generated, you can listen to it. This is how the
Ridge had a reputation for secrets. Some
AI voice is created, and now we will make the AI video. As first website is called degen.ai. It is a very good and amazing website that gives you 300 credits. And with those credits, you can create 10 videos. After that, it gives you daily credits, and you can easily create AI videos with it right now. You can see I have 4,700 plus credits because this ID has been logged in for many days. So I received a lot of credits if you want to create many AI videos. Then degen.ai is a very good website for you because its benefit is that even if you don't use it, it still gives you automatic daily credits. That is how I got so many credits in my account. Now we will create AI videos on this website. It is a very good website. I click on create, then go to upload. First, I will upload the first image and paste the prompt for that image. After clicking generate, the video will start creating. In the same way, I will upload the second image, paste its prompt, and the video will start creating. This takes a little time. In this way, you can create to complete videos, and a good 10 to 15 minute video will start generating. The second website is called Pixverse. It is a very good website where you can easily create the best AI videos with a real cinematic style. At the start, it gives you 120 credits. At first, it gives 80 credits. But if you log in with a new Gmail account, it gives 120 credits, which allows you to create 6 videos easily. After that, it gives daily credits, which you can use to create 3 videos daily. Pixverse AI is a very good tool for making AI videos. Here, I click on upload and upload the first image. Then I paste its prompt. Creating the AI video uses 20 credits per click, and the video will start generating. You can see how good the AI image has turned out. It looks amazing. Now I will download it. In this way, there is another website called Magic Send AI. It is a very good and amazing website, and it gives 500 credits. You can use this website to create AI videos daily. Now the AI video has been created, and it looks very amazing and excellent. For the final video editing, I will use CapCut. It is a very good software where you can add your video. CapCut is very easy to use, free, and full of features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. It is perfect for both beginners and professionals. I will edit the video here, add effects, and my video will be ready. You can see it. Thanks for watching. Next time, if you have any questions about the video, message me and I will answer in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I will bring another method. Thanks for watching. Last 14 days, you can also create videos like this and build your own channel easily. So watch every part of this video, don't skip anything. If you are new, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Let's start creating.